Hi! In this video, we will quickly tell you about ClickCease for musicians. The same calculation applied to the US. Music streaming industry suggests that click fraud could already be generating $170 million in fraudulent royalties that in effect crowds out legitimate listening and resulting payments to artists. Your business is a click fraud target. Fraudsters are increasingly becoming adept at fashioning automated digital bots that pose as dance tunes by fake artists with accounts at leading ad-supported and subscription streaming services from Pandora Media Inc, privately held Spotify Ltd. As you might expect, there are plenty of pros and cons to advertising on mobile apps. Monitoring is key. Uncover the details behind the clean customer clicks and the dirty competitor clicks on your ads and set fraud-fighting rules tailored to your business. Change "I think it is" into an "I know." Watch a screen recording of your visitors' behavior on your landing page. See how their mouse moved, scrolled, and clicked. This behavior is part of the detection algorithm. Know the difference. Humans behave like you would expect a human to. Their cursor movements are natural with occasional clicks in places where clicks should be made. Bots are easily identifiable as non-human. Their cursor movements are erratic and very linear. They click repeatedly in random places to find buttons or links. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more information about ClickCease and discover my business solutions for your business. Bye.